Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video let's learn about how to open a bank account online on Scotiabank. So let's get started. At first let's get into any browser and search for Scotiabank Open Bank Account and click on this Open a Bank Account Online. Now if we scroll down we can see various options to view all the saving accounts. So let's tap on view all saving accounts over here. And if you want to choose the type of account, you can choose any of there and click on View Account Details. Now simply click on Open an Account. Now we need to enter our details here and click on Continue. Now enter your username. You can create a username, password, and confirm your password. And click on Continue. Now we need to verify our identity here and you can choose any of the information. So let's tap on this. Verification is done. We get into next stage for the confirmation of our email address and phone number. And we get a code in our email address or phone number. Then we can get into our banking interface. Before that, we need to deposit some amount in our bank. Once we are done with all of this process, we can finally complete the process of opening bank account on Scotiabank Online. So this is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.